Okay students, we'll move for the exercise 5.1. In that the first question is, what is the disadvantage in comparing line segment by mere observation? Mere observation method, it is a first method, right? By observation only we can say that which line segment is greater or lesser, but we cannot say the accurate length, isn't it? We cannot say the accurate length of the line segment. If this is the line PQ and this is the one more line AB, we can say obviously that the line AB is greater than the PQ, but we cannot say that by observation or by viewing. We cannot say an accurate length of the any line segment or not. So this is what the disadvantage of by mere observation. Okay, so we'll write the answer here as chance of error due to, as I told, improper viewing. So we'll write the answer here as chances of errors due to improper viewing due to improper viewing. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Let's move for the second question. Second question, why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of the line segment? Why it is better to use a divider other than the ruler? Because we are getting here accurate method when we use a divider, isn't it? In previous video I showed you, if we use the ruler, due to the thickness of the ruler, we are unable to find again accurate value, accurate length of the line segment. But by using the divider, we get an accurate length of the line segment. So it is better to use the divider than a ruler. Okay, so we'll write the answer here. Why to use a divider? To get an accurate length, or accurate length is possible. Accurate measurement is possible. Accurate measurement will be possible. This is the answer for the second question. Next we'll move for the third question. We'll move for the third question, that is, draw any line segment, say AB, take any point C lying in between A and B. Measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equals to AC plus CB? We need to show that whether this is yes or no, right? So for that, we can see here I will draw one line segment, right? What I have asked, draw a line segment which is named as A and B, and also they have saying that C is the point lying in between. Here it is the point C which is lying between point A and B. And also measure the length of AB, BC and AC. We need to measure the length of AC, CB and AB, and we need to check, lastly we need to check this condition is true or not. For that, here I am going to take the value of AC as 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, and AC as 3 centimeter, and CB is equals to, I am going to take it as 4 centimeter. Okay, now here AC means what? That is 3 centimeter and CB is of 4 centimeter, right? AB means what? From here to here it is, isn't it? We want here AB, right? To find AB here, I am going to add 3 plus 4 means what? 4 plus 3 is 7 centimeter. isn't it? We'll check whether AB is 7 centimeter or not using this condition, right? So we'll write here AB is equals to AC, they have given, right? AC plus CB. So here AC means what? What we have taken? 3 centimeter plus CB means 4 centimeter. We'll add it. 3 plus 4, we are able to get 7 centimeter. That is what AB here. Isn't it? You can see here. Here we also got 7 centimeter, and in diagram also we got it as a 7 centimeter. So we'll write here answer as yes. Right? What they asked is AB is equals to AC plus CB. Yes, they are equal. Okay. So we'll move for the fourth question. Fourth question, if A, B, C are the 3 points on the line such that AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 3 centimeter, and AC is equals to 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? Means here, to find which point lies between other 2 points, to find that, first we need to draw a line segment which having highest length, right? Out of these 3 centimeter, which is the longest centimeter? That is 8 centimeter is the longest. Yes or no? Which named as AC. So we need to draw one line segment, that is AC, which is of 8 centimeter. Here I will draw one line of 8 centimeter. Right? This is of 8 centimeter. I will name it as A, B. This is of 8 centimeter. And also, sorry, this is AC, not AB, AC, right? AC is of 8 centimeter. And again they have said that AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 3 centimeter. Means AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. Means B will lie in between A and C here, because AB is 5 centimeter here. So we'll mark a point here. We'll take a line segment of length 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter means it is here, right? It is here 5 centimeter. From here it is. This will be what? AB now. This point is AB. Means from A to B it is 5 centimeter, and B to C it will be 3 centimeter only. Right? We can observe that. The point B is lying between 2 points A and C. Right? So this is the answer to identify, or this is the method to identify which point lies between other 2 points. Okay. So we'll write here B lies between A and C. Okay. This is the answer. So we'll move for the fifth question. Fifth question, verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Line segment AG here, we need to verify that whether D is the midpoint of a line segment AG or not. Okay. Here D, midpoint means it is a point which dividing the line segment in a equal parts. It will be dividing the line segment in the equal parts. We need to show that. To show that, here I am going to take one example. Let us consider this is the line segment A and B. Right? The length of this line segment is of 6 centimeter. Okay. Then, if I put a point which is a midpoint to the line AB, that is, I will name it as a C. C is the midpoint for the line AB. Right? The midpoint means it will divide the line segment in two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts means AC will be 3 cm and again CB will be of 3 cm. Okay, this is what the point C, dividing the line segment in equal parts. If you add these two values, again you are able to get a 6 cm. Add this 3 plus 3, that is 6 cm, isn't it? The midpoint says that it is a point which dividing the line segment in equal parts. Here also the same thing. If D dividing the line segment AG in equal parts means, then we can say that D is the midpoint of line segment AG. So how to show that, how to check whether D is the midpoint of AG or not means, from here to here, from 1 to 2 it is 1 cm, and 2 to 3 again it is 1 cm, and 3 to 4 again it is 1 cm. Totally how many centimeters are present? 1 cm, 2 and 3 cm, right? So we'll write here AD, from A to D it is 3 cm, right? And similarly we'll check from this side, from right to left we'll check. From here also you can see here 7 to 6 again it is 1 cm, again 6 to 5 2 cm, from 5 to 4 again it is 3 cm. Total there are how many? 1, 2, 3 cm test band, isn't it? So we can write it as DG is equals to 3 cm. Right? You can see that we are getting here 3 cm, 3 cm, isn't it? Which are equal in a distance, equal in a length, isn't it? So we can say that therefore, therefore D is the midpoint. Okay. Once again I will repeat. How to check? We need to check the distance from A to D and D to G here. How I calculated the length or a distance here? From here to here it is 1 cm, 2 to 3 again 1 cm, and 3 to 4 1 cm. Totally there are 3 centimeters. Similarly from 4 to 7 again there are the 3 centimeters. So here we got equal length, right? If these 2 points are at a equal length means, similarly here, okay, AD is equals to 3 cm and DG is equals to 3 cm means automatically we can say that D is the midpoint of a line segment AG. Okay students, this completes fifth one. Let us move for the sixth problem. Okay students, sixth question. If B is the midpoint of a line segment AC and C is the midpoint of line segment BD, where A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say why AB is equals to CD. Okay, here we need to say that why AB will be equals to CD. Okay, we'll solve this question one by one. We can see here, if B is the midpoint of line AC, they have given. So, we'll draw one line which is named as AC, right? Now, for AC line segment, B is the midpoint, right? B is the midpoint now. And again they have said C is the midpoint of BD. BD is again one more line. B is already here, right? Now, C will be the midpoint means this will be the midpoint now. In such a manner, we need to produce this line in such a manner that C must be the midpoint. Now, I will name this point as a D. Okay. Now, we can see that C is the midpoint of a line segment BD, isn't it? Now, where ABCD lie on a straight line, you can see that ABCD, these are the points lying on a straight line. Yes or no? So, next we need to say that why AB is equals to CD. AB is this much. Why this is equals to this. We need to show this. To show that, as you all know that B is the midpoint of AC, right? If B is the midpoint of AC means then AB will be equals to BC or no, right? So we'll write here B is the, I have written here B is the midpoint of AC. If B is the midpoint of AC means, as you all know that, then AB will be equals to BC, right? As I told in the previous problem, that is if this is A and this is B, if this is the midpoint means AC will be equals to CB, isn't it? Similarly here also, that is AB is equals to BC, right? And now we'll take this line segment here. C is the midpoint of BD, right? If C is the midpoint of BD, then BC will equals to CD here. C is the midpoint of BD, right? Of a line segment BD, that is what? If C is the midpoint of BD means BC equals to CD. BC will always equals to CD here, okay? From these two equations, here we got two equations, right? So we'll write here I got AB is equals to BC, right? For example, if this is 3 cm and this will be also 3 cm because B is the midpoint here. And according to this, here what they have said, BC is equals to CD, right? If BC is 3 cm, then CD will be also 3 cm, right? Then automatically we can say that, therefore we can say that AB is equals to CD, because here also we are getting 3 cm and CD is also 3 cm, isn't it? So we'll write here, therefore AB is equals to CD. This is the answer. We proved it. Why it is equal? We showed it here. Okay. We'll move for the 7th problem. 7th question. Draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side. Here we need to consider the 5 triangles, right? And we need to measure their sides with the help of the scale here. We'll draw one by one them. Here I am going to draw a triangle. Triangle means you always know that it will be having 3 sides, right? So I am going to draw a triangle. This is of 10 centimeter, right? And one more triangle. I am going to draw one more side of the triangle. This is the third side. Okay. Now I will measure the length of these 3 sides. From here to here it is of 10 centimeter. So we'll name it as A, B, C. This is 10 centimeter and AC will measure. AC is of 10.5 centimeter. Okay. It is of 10.5 centimeter, and again BC is of, again it is of 10 centimeter. This is of 10 centimeter. And here they are telling that if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side, means if you add any two sides of the triangle, it will be, the resulting answer will be less than the third side. They are telling whether it is correct or no. We'll check, right? You can consider any two sides, either these two or these two or these two. Here I am going to consider these two sides. Okay, I will add these two sides, means AB plus BC. AB is of 10 centimeter plus BC is of how much centimeter? Again that is also 10 centimeter. After adding total answer, I am getting 20 centimeter, right? Whether thus this is 20 is less than 10.5? Is it possible? No. So we can say that sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle, it can never be less than the third side, isn't it? We are always getting a greater length only. When we add any two sides, we are able to get a length which is greater than the third side. We can check. We can add these two sides and check. It will be also the same only. Here, second triangle I have taken. We'll measure the length of this triangle now. Okay. You can see that it is of 10 centimeter, right? From here to here it is there, means it is 10 centimeter. AB is of 10 centimeter and BC will check. BC is of 8 centimeter, students. And AC will check. AC is of 17 centimeter now. Okay. Now we'll add any two sides. Now we'll add these two sides and check. Okay. So AC plus BC will do. AC is of 17 centimeter plus BC is of 8 centimeter. So here we are getting 17 plus 8, 25 centimeter. Okay, we are getting 25 centimeter. Whether 25, is this a less than the third side, that is 10 centimeter? Is this 25 is less than 10 centimeter? No. Again we can say that the sum of the length of any two sides is never be less than the third side. Okay, we'll take one more triangle, third triangle it is. We'll check this, we'll measure its length, that is the length of, this is y and this is z, the length of YZ is 7 centimeter, right? And similarly the length of XZ is, it is of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, then one more, then length of XY is 9 centimeter. It is 9 centimeter. We'll check it. Here I am going to consider these two sides. Okay, these two sides I will consider and will add those two sides. That is XY one side and XZ is another side. We'll add those two sides. XY means that is 9 centimeter and ZX is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so we'll get the answer as 16.5 centimeter, right? Whether 16.5 is less than 7? No, according to this condition, it is not less than 16.5 is not less than the 7. Okay. Similarly, we'll take fourth triangle. Here I have considered one triangle. We'll measure its length. It is of 9.5 centimeter. This is 9.5 centimeter and we'll measure this. It is of 8 centimeter, right? Okay, 8 centimeter and MO. MO is of 13 centimeter. Okay, now we'll add any two sides and we'll check whether it is less than the third side or not. We'll check these two sides. Okay, now we'll add MO plus MN. MO is 13 centimeter, MN is 9.5 centimeter. After adding, we'll get 22.5. 22.5 centimeter. This is MO. Right? You can see that 22.5, it is not less than the third side. Third side is here 8 centimeter, right? So 22.5 is greater than the 8 centimeter. So what they have said, if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side, they have told. So this is the wrong statement. It never becomes less than the third side. In all the four problems, you observe that when we add any two sides, we are getting greater length only. When we compare it to the any third side, isn't it? We are getting greater length only. So we can say that here. Lastly, we'll write here one statement. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle can never be less than the length of the third side. Fifth triangle. Try to draw and measure it. Fifth triangle, it is homework for you. Here I have drawn totally 4 triangles. Okay, we'll write the answer for this in one statement. So here I have written the answer. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle can never be less than the length of the third side. Okay. So this completes first exercise, that is 5.1.